Namaskar. Did you know that you have enough pran shakti or bioenergy from the moment you are born till the day you die? If this energy is blocked, it's like traffic jam in your body and it gives rise to diseases. That's why it is important for it to flow freely, like a river finding its course. This bioenergy is not just randomly moving inside you, it's passing through a network of energy channel called nadis, and there are 72,000 nadis in our body. Among them, the three important one are Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Imagine this system of energy as a flow of river that needs regular cleaning to prevent blockages. So, how do we keep this energy highway clear and smooth running? Among other yogic technique, there is an excellent technique called as Anuloma Viloma. It can be translated as alternate nostril breathing. In Anuloma Viloma, you are like a traffic controller for your breath. You regulate it through both the nostrils, ensuring a smooth flow of prana or bioenergy throughout your system. Let's see how to do this Anuloma Viloma now. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position with your spine straight. The technique is simple, but it needs really concentration to do it correctly. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably in a meditative posture, such as Sukhasana, Padmasana, or Vajrasana. Then, using your right thumb, gently close your right nostril while keeping the left nostril open. Inhale deeply and slowly through the left nostril, allowing the breath to flow in for a count of 2 seconds. After inhaling, close both the nostrils with your fingers and hold the breath for a comfortable duration, preferably double the time, that is 4 seconds. Those who have cardiac problems or hypertension should skip holding the breath. Release your right nostril and exhale slowly for 2 seconds. Then again inhale through right nostrils for 2 seconds. Alternate between nostrils this way, maintaining the rhythm of inhalation, holding, exhalation, and retention. Do this for maximum 10 rounds per session. You can gradually increase the duration of the practice. That is, slowly inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 8 seconds, and so on. And now let's see some more benefits of Anuloma Viloma. It strengthens your lungs, corrects the oxygen flow, making your breathing easier. It is very good for those who suffer from asthma and bronchitis. Anuloma Viloma also helps to manage heart issue and hypertension. It keeps your blood sugar level in check and gives you better control over diabetes. Remember, it's not just about breathing, it's about finding harmony within yourself. So the benefits of Anuloma Viloma extends far beyond physical exercise. It helps release stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling clear-headed, since it restores the energy between two hemispheres of your brain, which is like maintaining equilibrium between the hemisphere of your brain. So it helps you find your center and you feel more emotionally balanced. This balance is also seen in your doshas if you look at it from the Ayurvedic point of view. Since Anuloma Viloma aids digestion, it is easier to manage your weight. It also gets your blood flowing and clears your toxins, leaving your skin fresh and radiant. So, Anuloma Viloma is more than just a breathing exercise. It is a powerful yogic technique which deals with the flow of prana or bioenergy. Practice this correctly and master this wonderful pranayama to find balance in your body, your mind, and your life as a whole. Namaskar.